What is error and omissions insurance? Errors and omissions insurance is a type of professional liability insurance that protects companies, their workers, and other professionals against claims of inadequate work or negligent actions. Key takeaways: errors and omissions insurance is a form of professionally liability insurance. E&O Insurance protects companies and professionals against claims of inadequate work or negligent actions made by clients. Anyone who provides a services requires E&O insurance, including financial services, insurance agents, doctors, lawyers, and wedding planners. E&O insurance does not cover criminal activity. It also does not cover many other forms of damage that are traditionally covered by different forms of insurance. E&O insurance cost will vary based on industry and projected risk. Most companies can obtain coverage for less than $1,000 per year. Understanding errors and omissions insurance. Error and omissions insurance is a form of liability insurance. It protects companies against the full cost of a claim made by a client against a professional who provides advice or a service, such as a consultant, financial advisor, insurance agent, or lawyer. It is a common form of business insurance that protects an entity should someone accuse that company of making a mistake. Companies often obtain E&O insurance if they provide services to a customer for a fee. This form of insurance can be obtained from many major commercial insurance companies. Run out of a home-based office must buy a separate policy. The company can't get errors and omissions insurance under a homeowner's policy. What E&O insurance covers: the benefit. E&O insurance gives companies or individuals vary greatly depending on the policy and issuing insurance company. Broadly speaking, E&O insurance covers errors, mistakes, or oversight incurred during the cover's course of work, failure to meet a deadline or deliver a specific service promised to a customer, professional negligence, failure to meet a specific standard of care, especially if outlined by a given professional, breach of contract insurance. Does business insurance cover breach of contract? Regarding specific expenses, E&O insurance may cover legal and court costs should a company find itself in court, and other legal fees are often covered whether or not the company is found to be guilty of matter at hand. E&O may cover specific types of settlements of judgment in which the company if is found at fault. It also covers damage and expenses incurred to other for wrongdoing. What E&O insurance does not cover: these policies do not cover criminal and certain liabilities that may arise in civil court not listed in the policy. This includes illegal acts, deeds of wrongdoing, or criminal activity. E&O insurance often does not cover bodily injury inflicted by your business, as that is typically covered by general Liability insurance. E&O insurance may or may not cover temporary employees' claims stemming from work done before the policy was in force or claims in various. It may also not cover information leaks due to cybercrime, employee injuries, or discrimination claims. These last three situations are covered by different types of insurance. Who needs E&O insurance? Errors and omissions insurance offer covers both court costs and any settlements up to the amount specific by the insurance contract. This kind of liability insurance is generally required for professional advice giving or service providing business. Without E&O insurance, a company can be held li- liable for up to millions in damages plus the fees associated with a legal team. Insurance brokers, insurance dealers, realtors, registered investment advisor, financial planners, and other financial professionals can obtain E&O insurance. Regulate, Regulatory bodies such as insurance regulatory, the financial industry regulatory authority, or even a company's investors will often require E&O insurance. E&O insurance is also applicable to business outside the financial industry including non-profits, general maintenance companies and contractors and engineering firms, any other companies or professional who provides a service such as wedding planners and printers also needs E&O insurance. Doctors, dentists and other medical professionals also take out E&O insurance called malpractice insurance. For example, a client may sue an advisor or broker after an investment goes sour, even if the risks were well known and within the guide, guidelines established by the client. Even if a court or panel decides in favor of a broker or investment advisor, the legal fees can be very high, which is why